Hello, Sonia Sanchez here. Welcome to the Sonia Show. 2 brigades have been arrested after a drive-by shooting attempt on a police officer. Here today is Captain Bridge from that officer's precinct. Thank you for coming, Captain Bridge. Can you tell us more about the incident?
Of course, Sonia. The officer in question was shot at while on patrol.
I don't understand. Why would the brigades shoot at one of our finest?
Excuse my French, Sonia, but that's because the BBs are low-life scum. Luckily, the officer wasn't hit and is doing fine.
Yes, luckily. And how did you apprehend the brigades who did this?
Those boneheads lost control of their vehicle and crashed. Ha! Talk about instant karma.
Incredible! Now let's take a moment to look at the latest candidate polls. Looks like Tyrak is still the preferred candidate. Tyrak, working against voter registration fraud, is fighting hard against his opponents. Nation, he deserves your full support. As you know, the Sonia Show is very concerned about our youth who continue to mysteriously disappear. Let's view today's Missing Teen Report. Remember, if you have any information, please call the Sonia hotline. We count on your support. And that has been the Sonia Show.
On your travels, have you met a woman named Sonia?
You'd know if you had. She's only the prettiest flower in all of Petria.
Sharp as a tack, too. But now, some troubling news. Sonia is in danger. Someone wants to end sweet Sonia's life.
Our plan is to stop this would-be killer.
Before they kill Sonia!
Yeah, before!
Our hunch is the psycho is a taxi driver!
And that this creep plans to do so on Election Day! It's certain!
Yeah, we do! And on a variety of subjects!
Taxi driver? That would make sense! What doesn't stand is why the kid's in the sidecar. It being in the shape it is.
You've gone and scared the kid, Mitch.
Yeah, didn't I? Aw, shoot.
Ask us a question if you'd like. Could take your mind off your fear. Unfortunately, due to our priors, this is an impossibility.
Yeah, if you got a criminal record, you can't vote, kid.
But what about you?
That's nice.
Long as you lean into the turns. Just move left and right. Give it a whirl.
Not bad! That's nothing.
Get on up here, little lady. Don't be scared.
Go on then! think, kid?
Yeah, what do you think?
Stan and Mitch and the kid!
A taxi driver, Stan!
Could be Sonia's would-be killer! Kid, get back in the sidecar and help us catch that cab!
He's getting away! Get him, Stan! We needs to go faster!
Like I didn't know, Mitch! Damn it!
Get him, Stan!
Truck!
The taxi stopped!
Could be a trap. Show this driver the beast, Mitch!
With pleasure.
Here we go. This ought to be good. So, kid, did you get a look at the driver? That's my recollection, too. Wait until Mitch gets his hands on this creep. What the? Why is he coming back?
Oh, nice person. People like that don't deserve engine trouble.
He's leaving!
That wasn't the would-be killer, Stan. Way too nice.
You let Sonia's would-be killer go, Mitch!
I did not. Besides, I didn't see you get off the bike. You was scared.
I was not scared!
Kid's right. Let's look on the bright side. We're getting closer.
We are. We almost got that psycho this time.
Stan and
Mitch!
What do you want to do now, little lady?
Of course not.
Hey, over here. Help me. Don't let them see you. The cops. They transferred me out of you know where. My dad must have found out where I was. Get the van keys from the cops. But you'll need to distract them somehow. Then come back here. Thank you.
Know how many times I've called for a tow this year?
I don't.
Guess how many times?
Fine. 3 times.
Nope. 4 times. Can you believe it? What do you want, kid? Their van broke down, I think. A kid like you shouldn't stick around here. Know that? I most definitely am not. These protesters. Wish there was some way we could just ship them out.
Careful. Don't swallow any.
What the? What's going on?
I see someone over there. Let's check it out. That kid did this.
She can't be far. I'll check behind the station.
got the keys. The keys for the handcuffs. They should be inside. Come on. Get ready to run.
Stop! Hands where I can see him!
I didn't mean for this to happen. You gotta believe me. This country is so messed up. I'll go back to my father. I'll get my dad to save you. I'll say, I don't know what I'll say. Look, maybe you should rest. You'll feel better. Just try to get some sleep. And when you wake up, I'll know what to do. Okay? You hear that?
Senor, help!
Oh, they're gone. But they'll be back. And with friends.
Lucky we intercepted their comms.
Check the van. The girl must be inside.
Please, don't hurt us.
Got a second kid in here! The less you know, the better. You can. But Zoe, you should come with us.
Wait, how do you know my name? Did my father send you?
Definitely not. We'll explain later, but right now, you two have to split up.
You risk your life for me. Yeah, maybe.
Zoe, we have to go.
I hope I get to see you again.
What do we have here?
Looks like one of the kids on the posters. Let's take her in.
You've been arrested. No one said it would be easy to reach the border, let alone cross it. But for one journey that ends, others are only beginning.